We're here today with Grace Lin, CFO of Retech Technologies. Grace, thanks for your time.
Yeah, hello David.
An exciting business. Can you share a little bit about Retech and what it does?
Okay, so Retech, we are a high-tech company. We are providing online education and training platform to our clients. So our clients, we have folks for several industries, like big names, Bank of China, Ping An Insurance, Mercedes-Benz. So for finance, auto, retail, and high-tech industries, we have lots of very good base clients. And also we are providing e-courses, the good contents to them. So each year we are providing lots of good IPs to the clients for their training the employees and improving the learning efficiency within their own group. And nowadays we are growing rapidly, not only in China but also in Hong Kong. And also we started a new business for the language learning platform. So we are using the good teachers from Melbourne and train the students in China. There is a really great market in China for this part.
So it's not just a vocational business, there's also a big corporate element to it where corporates want to be able to train their staff across different disciplines. But then on the vocational side, it's the more traditional learning in the classroom or learning environment that you provide?
Yeah. So I think based on the high tech and internet, so employees, how do they learn? So it has changed quite a lot. It has transformed to the online platform. So Retech, we have a very good high tech team, very advanced high tech abilities, and also we have instructional design professionals. So we can build a total solution for them. So most of the requirements are from the corporates, and nowadays for vocational schools, as you mentioned, in China, and also I think as in Australia, like for TAFE, so all courses are trying to be loaded online, and students can get better qualified e-courses and teachers from online.
And you've recently announced your financial results, which were very impressive, but clearly there's a big annuity angle to this business.
Yeah, so as for our traditional e-learning business, so last year we have a growth rate as 30% year-to-year growth, and for the newly updated half-year results in this year, so the revenue growth rate is about 35%. So that is quite steady, and with the enlarge of the e-learning market, so we have the expectation that for our forecast and budgets in the coming next 3 years, the growth rate will still be kept there, and maybe we can reach to 40% based on some strategy for merger and acquisition. Yeah, but as you mentioned, for the new engines, the new elements, so we're trying to build up the SaaS-based platform, especially for ESG contents. So as you know, ESG is somewhat mandatory as for green funds and for security market as in Hong Kong. So we have a kind of insight that future in the China, there will be a great demand for ESG. So how to understand ESG and train people, so we are focusing for that ESG part in Hong Kong as well. And as we mentioned in Melbourne, we have live classrooms there already. Yes, so based on the live classroom technology and our online education experiences, we're trying to make it as a new engine and power to improve our revenue and profits in the coming years.
And you clearly see growth outside of China?
Yes. So as we are listed in SX, we found that Australian IPs and the teachers here for language learning is really great. So we're trying to leverage the resources here and through our platform and internet and just roll it back to China. Yeah.
And unique to technology companies, paying a dividend?
Yeah, so as you can see that we have a good contribution to the net income. So we have announced that the dividend will be paid, and the secretary company is helping us to mail all the detailed information to the shareholders, and it will be paid in November. Yeah.
And what should investors look for going forward from the company?
So I think from the investors' point of view, the healthy growth of the company is quite important. So we are trying to make it steady for the traditional business, and also at the same time we're trying to find more opportunities for us and improve the return of the investment as well. And also the right market and the strong growth of the market is quite important. So as based in Australia and Hong Kong and China, so we are linking that together. So the learning for language is a key indicator here and a key point for us to grow.
Strong growth, paying a dividend, broadening your market, exciting times ahead. Grace, thanks for your time.
Okay, thank you, David.